Okay, this is, let's see, the do-it-yourself video number 2. This is how to remove damaged screw heads, whether they're Phillips, square, Torx, whatever, with this, it's called the Grab-It 2. I don't know if you can see it, maybe on the close-up. It's got 2 ends. One is for burnishing. I don't know what that word means, but I know what it does. It creates something for the other side, the extraction side, to grab onto. The thing to remember is you gotta flip it, so it's good to have a quick chuck like this. Easily puts it in, quick in and out. So here is the burnishing end. Remember, this particular bit, you have to, can only be used with reverse, with drills that can go in reverse. Both sides do the reverse. So I got 2 screw heads here. One seems pretty bad, the other one's okay, but I'm going to remove them anyway. And now I'm going to zoom in on this window latch so you can see the process. And for those of you who caught my previous video, you can see that the paint removal process, at least on this side, is pretty much done. Okay, here comes the zoom. All right. So remember, here's the burnish end. And once it's burnished, you put in the extraction end. And let's hope this works. Maybe I got it reversed. Yeah, there we go. So even screws that have nothing left come out. Some are more stubborn than others. And this guy